this is part of my lower body strengthening exercise. It's working on your core as well as your lower body. So spread your legs 2 shoulder width apart. Okay? Keep the body upright and lower your body as if you're sitting on a chair. You go as far as you can without losing your balance. You should feel the burn in your quads, your butt muscles, okay, and your deep butt muscles, and possibly the hamstrings as well. Keep both feet pointed forward. So your feet should be pointed forward because we always want to strengthen our bodies in the position that we'll be walking. So if we're not walking like ducks, we should not be strengthening ourselves like ducks. Keep the feet forward. Okay? And we'll do it from the side. Make sure your body's in neutral posture. Not like this, because we don't walk like this. We should not be strengthening our bodies like this. Keep the shoulder above the hips, above the ankle. Okay? So we're going to go down 10 counts. Okay? Nice and slow. Okay? All the way down. Get your knees out, body upright. Try to relax into it like you're sitting on a chair. You're going to start feeling the burn here, here, and here. Go as low as you can. If you can go lower, fine. If you can't, just stay there. Just stay where you are without compromising your posture. You can go lower, even better. Okay? So challenge yourself. For those of you who this is really easy, go as low as you can. Go as low as you can. Okay, hold for 10 counts and then come up slowly. 5 in neutral posture. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, listen your legs. You should feel the burn here. Do it 5 to 10 times. First thing in the morning or last thing before you go to bed. Get into some kind of routine. Work on this core every day because as a culture we're sitting way too much. Another one of my daily core exercise that I like doing is a proper push-up. What it does is strengthen the biceps as well as the triceps. As we get older, we start losing muscle tone. One of the annoying things, especially for women, is our jiggly triceps, especially when we wave. And this gets really annoying. So to prevent that from happening, we need to build nice muscle tone. So include this as part of your daily exercise routine. Okay? Hold the core nice and straight between your head, neck, and body, and your buttock muscles. Okay? And do a 5 count, slow, lower, down, all the way down. Okay? Make sure your fingers are pointing straight ahead, your elbow right beside your body. And come up slowly over 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let the air out as you're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go as far down as possible. If you have to touch the ground, that's fine. If the more advanced people, you may just hover over the ground without letting go completely. Come up again, 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and for the more advanced, you can try to do it crossing your legs, or you can do 2 legs shoulder width apart. And you can go down together. So 85 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can cross one leg over the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, as you get more advanced, try bringing your hand to the side of your body, your waist. Okay, bring it further down. Okay, as close to your body as possible by your waist, and then lower it slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to develop very nice anterior deltoid muscles, a nice cap over your shoulder, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's hard. Okay, it's much harder, and this is for the advanced. It's easier if you have a hard time. Widen your shoulders first. Let's try widening your shoulders. Okay, so, and rest on your knee, and then go down. This is for the total beginners. Okay, the key thing is to be able to control your muscle contraction. Do it nice and slow, 5 count, and come up, keeping your plank, and up. So the more advanced you are, the closer you come towards your shoulder. And if you're even more advanced, you start moving your way down to your waist, so that you're actually doing the exercise at the waist level, like this, up from there. Okay? With this exercise, do 5 counts down as you're breathing out and 5 counts back up. And every night before you go to bed, just do 5 repetitions of this. 5 repetitions of 10 counts each is like doing 50 push-ups without doing 50 push-ups. All you're doing is 5. Okay, it'll be over in less than a minute. Core program, my daily core program is having a strong abdominal muscle, having a strong core. One of the things I found in 30 years of practice is a lot of low back problems are caused by weak core muscles here. So the stronger we have it, the more confident you feel too, the better you're breathing. So that's very important. And one of the most effective exercises I've found over the years is abdominal roll-up exercise that's taught in Pilates. So for that, you're going to go ahead and get your arms all the way out there. Okay, and you start contracting your muscle, abdominal muscle from the top, and move your way down as you're bringing your body off the ground. And then keep tightening it, keep holding the tension, and reaching forward as far as you can, keeping your toes up, keeping the toes up. And then the reverse is true. You're going to start uncoiling slowly, holding the tension, okay, and releasing from the bottom, abdominal, and releasing slowly, slowly keeping your arm up. Full control of your abdominal muscles, all the way down. 2, 3, 4, 5. So try to do 5 counts up, 5 counts down. As you're coming up, as you're contracting, let the air naturally out of your mouth. Keep your mouth a little open. Okay, let's try it again. Squeeze up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reaching forward, forward, forward. Okay, contract, hold it there for a few counts. What it does is stretches your back, especially after sitting all day. Okay, and now going backwards, unwinding 5 counts, releasing nice and slow. Releasing the abs nice and slow. Start to release from the lower abs. Okay, see how she maintains a curve here. And let go of herself, nice and slow, letting the air out slowly. And then all the way up. And what this does is it stretches your whole body at the same time. Okay, so we're going to do it again. Okay, one more time. Squeeze up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it there. Stretch everything out from your calf all the way to your hamstrings and your back muscles. And release slowly. Okay. Releasing from the bottom. Holding the tension here. And letting go slowly. Okay. Again, you can do 5 to 10 times. I just do it 5 times a day. So 5 times. Each 10 counts, that's 50 crunches right there. Full control of your muscles. Besides being a professional Hollywood stunt woman, Claudette is also a certified Pilates instructor. She has a few tips for us.
Okay, with the roll down, what I want you to do, reach up to the ceiling first. Try to touch the ceiling. Then lower your lower back. As you breathe out, your middle back, and then your upper back. As you're coming up, breathe out, lift your upper back, your middle back, and then your lower back, reach up to the ceiling. That allows you to pull your abdominals into your spine. As you take it over, and you're able to reach past your toes, pulling yourself down to the thighs. Now on the way down, reach up to the ceiling, reverse backwards, pointing the toes, lowering your lower back, middle back, and this gives you control as you go down, upper back. And now, in order for you to do a beginner exercise, some people, if their abs are not strong enough, they're not able to get up into the roll-up. I use momentum to come up into my roll-up. So what I suggest, you bend your knees, you reach the arms up to the knees, grab under your thigh, under your other thigh, pull in your abdominals, scoop the abdominals in, keep the feet on the floor, use your arm strength to pull yourself up to a sit-in position. Extend the legs. Reach up to the ceiling, and now you're able to go forward, pulling in the abs, and down. Now to reverse that movement, lift up and bend the knees and roll down. Lower back, middle back, and upper back, and extend the legs. Another exercise you can do if your abs are really, really weak, you can start with your legs shoulder width apart, scoop in the abdominals, using the arm strength, sliding down and coming back up. And breathe out. You're forming a C curve with your head and your abdominals and your back. So you're here, and then scoop yourself up. You can do about 5 to 10 of these. Breathe out. You're using your biceps and your triceps to lower yourself down. Touch the lower back and come up. And keep doing these until you get strong enough to do the roll up.